Hello friends, today's video topic is class and object. So basically the object in Java is the physical as well as the logical entity, whereas class is in Java is a logical entity only. Now we can see the in a deeply what is the object in a Java. The entity that has state and behavior is known as object. For example, chair, bike, pen, table, etc. And it can be physical or logical. For example, the uh, object is the banking system. Then object has three characteristics. First one is a state, next second one is a behavior, and third one is a identity. The first one is a state. It is represent the data of an object. Then next one is a behavior. Behavior is represent the behavior, that is the functionality of an object, such as deposit, withdraw, etc. And third one is identity. The object is identity is a typically implemented via unique ID. The value of the ID is not visible to the external user, and it is used internally by the JVM to identify each object uniquely. For example, pen is an object. Its name is Reynolds, and color is a white. Then no, it is known as its state, and it is used to write. So the writing it is its behavior. Then object is an instance of a class, and class is a template or a blueprint of from which objects are created. So object is the instance of the class. Then object definition is a object is a real world entity, and object is an runtime entity. Also object is an entity which has a state and behavior. Then object is an instance of a class. Now we can see the what is the class in Java. A class is a group of objects which have common properties, and it is the template or blueprint of from which the objects are created. And class is a logical entity. It cannot be physical. The in a class, the fields, method, constructor, block, nested class, and interface, these are the used. Then syntax of the class is class name, in a open in a open and close curly brackets, fields and methods, then we can see the instance variable in Java. Variable which is created inside the class but outside the method, it is known as a instance variable. And instance variable does not get memory at a compile time, and it gets the memory at the runtime when the object or instance is created. That is why it is known as instance variable. So it's all about the information of the class and object. Thank you so much.